Alright folks, welcome. We're here today to talk about the Rock Machinery RX-13 chipper shredder. We've got some new design features and some new components that we're going to tell you about why this one's even better than the last one that we've made. So the RX-13 comes standard with the Briggs & Stratton XR2100. It's a 420cc petrol engine making 13.5 horsepower. With more than enough power to get the job done for this. Right, one of the new design features is that the axle's been widened. Makes it a bit more stable if you're driving across an incline or if you're using the machine on a hill. Just keep it from tipping over and make it much more stable. So the exit hopper on the RX-13 can rotate 360 degrees and it's got a wee flap on the end as well that can help you point in the direction the chips are coming out. You can get your chips exactly where you need to into a drum or into the back of your truck easily. The hopper on the RX-13 folds in and out, so it's a bit more compact when you're storing or moving the machine. When it's wide open, you've got a nice wide opening that you can put your branches in, just so they don't need to be trimmed before you get to chipping and make your life a bit easier. And I will take the hopper off and I'll show the actual chipping mechanism. It's a drum with two blades on it, so you can have a look at that. We'll also demonstrate how you can access the blades if you need to maintain them or if you need to unblock the machine. Alright, so we'll get into that now. Alright, so we've got the hopper open so you can see inside the drum. All you need is two 13mm spanners and you can get access to this. So the drum has a blade on each side. They're 30 centimeters long and they're gapped at 0.5 millimeter. So that sort of chipper is good for producing chip, great for flower beds, the borders of your gardens, good for suppressing weeds, but it's a nice kind of medium-sized chip. The blades attached to the drum, they're dual-sided, so when it comes to that time you can swap them around and get another shot at them. There's a wee safety mechanism attached to the hopper here as well, just to make sure that the machine can't turn on when the hopper is in its open position. The drum also acts as a fan to dispatch the branches when they're chipped, so it's dual purpose. Alright, I got all my PPE on. We'll get this thing started up and give you a wee demonstration. We've got a wide variety of wood we can chip for you, so let's get started. Let's get the choke on, the fuel on, and the XR2100 got a nice key start here as well. So as you can see, the RX-13 dealt with that big pile of wood, no problem at all. It had a wide variety of stuff, from small kind of bushy stuff to a couple of much wider logs there. Not even close to stalling. I mean, it dealt with that brilliantly. So I think this is the type of machine, if you've got a business as a tree surgery, or if you're a very demanding homeowner, it's a versatile machine that can handle it all. It's robust, yet lightweight. It's brilliant. Alright folks, welcome. We're here today to talk about the rock machinery. Cut. Alright, one of the new design features is that the axles have been widened. Gives the machine a bit more stability, prevent it from tipping over if you're going to be riding along an incline, or if you're parking on a hill, anything like that. It's much more stable, easier to use. So the geometry has been newly updated. It's got a much wider axle, giving the machine a bit more stability. You can take it on a slightly more uneven surface and it's better. And cut. So as you can see, the RX-13 dealt with that big pile of trees. One more time.